Hey, what's up, harmony holders? So after a very long time, our brother harmony holders doing very big mistakes. So absolutely, if you cannot stop this mistake, if you do this mistake continuously, then you are completely in the lost, my brother. I also share my opinion in this video to sell, hold, or buy, and what's price prediction, what's the technical analysis. Everything is going to be very important about harmony, my brother, in this video. So you need to watch this video if you are a holder. My brother harmony is fails down last 3 days. You can see here minus 14.25%. And if you check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart, what's going on in the last 1 hour, then absolutely, my friend, you can see here the China curve will be positive now. So I think it's just an only, my friend, a minute ago to this coin is starting moving upward now. Otherwise, my friend, in last 1 hour, absolutely, I see it just before, my friend, 5 minutes, then absolutely they're going to be negative now. So it's a very good news. Congratulations for everyone to this coin is starting moving upward now. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time this coin is also give you a good profits now. So you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, harmony will change the life of your life, my brother. So go now, invest now, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming times this coin is completely going the moon now. So let's see, my brother, if we check out the last 7 days chart, then we understand, my brothers, to upcoming time really there is a chance to they will move upward or not. So my brother, as you can see, this coin is completely hour by hour, minute by minute, day by day fails down. So therefore, if you can see, my brother, continuously all change occurs. So it's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time this coin is very going to be very bad now, and they cannot give you a very huge profit now. But my friends, one thing more I want to tell you, my brother. This time, if we zoom it, this coin. So absolutely, my brothers, we understand to after a fail, every cryptocurrency take a very good jump. So we understand, my brothers, to which speed they which style, my friends, they move upward now. So here, as if you can see, my brother, harmony is fails down after a huge jump now. So it's mean, my brothers, to after a jump this coin is completely must they fails now. So it absolutely, my friend, after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So it's mean to upcoming time, good time is coming soon, and after this fails they take a jumps now. So let's see, my brothers, to wait, just only you need to wait, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming times they're gonna be upward now. So after a dumps they take a jump, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.